Today we're taking a look at Redragon for the very first time, and this is a sub $100 keyboard. This right here is $70, and we get a 70% form factor. This is the Flex Act Pro by Redragon. I haven't seen Redragon before, so first time on this channel. So this is a budget gaming keyboard. It's $70, I think you can find it on Amazon, which isn't too bad. We got a whole list of features here. It's an LCD screen, gasket mounted keyboard. You get 3 modes. You get wireless, you get Bluetooth, and you get wired. Don't know why you would use anything other than wired. You have an LCD. The LCD display here looks like it's going to be pretty basic. Excited for the gasket design, but let's open this up. Let's check it out. Let's see if it sounds any good. I'm curious about that. If it's like a good sounding keyboard or not. Let's take a look at this, guys. So we get a box inside a box, kind of typical of these Shenzhen keyboards, these budget keyboards. The keyboard itself is pretty light, but we're gonna take a look at that in a second. Let's see what we get for accessories. It looks like pretty basic stuff here. Is that all? That's everything. We get a keycap switch puller combo tool. Oh, it actually says Redragon on it. How about that? Color me surprised. We get an angled USB-C to USB Type-A cable. This is rubberized. It's not one of the nicer ones, but hey, it's a sub $100 keyboard. I don't know exactly what you're expecting, so it's definitely gonna have more budget components. It's got the little tuner on it too. These are the mechanical switches. Okay. So let's see. Some basic instructions there is what that is, how to install. Which I guess is nice. What are these? These look mechanical. These are 5-pin mechanical. Any branding on them or anything? They're Huano. These are Huano switches. Oh, they sound pretty creamy. Take a look at that. So these are Huano switches. And we'll see how it sounds in here. All right, not much for accessories, guys. That's like pretty much it. What we've been waiting for. Ugh. Let's see here. So I got this in the gradient gray. It's a nice looking keyboard. Some other things in here. Looks like some documentation of sorts. Some stickers. And the user manual. Not too much there. Nothing with FN key shortcuts or anything like that. So here's a first look at the keyboard, guys. It's got this accent around the entire periphery, and I think that's the USB-C. Yeah, look at that. It's got a little USB-C holder. It is stylized with a dongle. Check this out. We have 3 adjustable feet. There we have all our information. The Flex Act Pro, what a name. What a name for this thing. Got the USB-C connector here on the side, along with a 2.4 and the Bluetooth. Let's see when this boots up. And there's your animation. Huh. How about that? The RGB comes through. So that's the RGB. It's pretty basic. You guys can see what I talk about in other videos. You can see the refresh rate of the LEDs. So they're definitely like budget LEDs. The illumination's pretty decent. It doesn't look like that in real life, but there's some pretty decent illumination. You can see up here the screen. Tells you it's looking to link for something, and I think we're ready to give this thing a sound test. Let's see how it works out. This sounds pretty good. I gotta say, for 70 bucks, this might be the best sounding sub $100 keyboard I've used yet. Definitely looks like it's probably some sort of cherry typing profile. Definitely looks like cherry. Everything's always cherry now. I think that's pretty cheesy. Ready for battle? Are you ready for battle with your Redragon keyboard? I do like that it's got a dongle storage and a knob though. So that definitely gets points. The keycaps are dye sublimated. Are they double shot? Let's find out. So south facing LEDs. And the keycaps are definitely, they look double shot, if I do say so myself. So yeah, not too bad. I'm not one to use the wireless settings, so, you know, 1000 hertz polling. I think this would be admirable for any sort of gaming setup, especially a budget one. So I think we got a new king of budget keyboards here, especially for good budget sounding keyboards. Usually you get something budget and it's like kind of poo-poo. This one actually sounds pretty good, especially if you're like me and you like the kind of talky clack sound. I can't stand clicky keyboards. Pretty cool. There you go, guys. The FlakDAC Pro by Redragon. $70 on Amazon. Sounds pretty good. It's got a screen, cherry typing profile, completely plastic, gasket built. It's got Juano switches, 5 pins. It's got a little screen, gradient gray keycaps. Yeah, check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope you learned something. And until next time, GG.